In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable HTTPS in Netlify. We'll walk through the full process of connecting your domain and making sure your site is served securely over HTTPS. This is an important step because HTTPS helps protect visitor data, improves trust, and is generally expected for any modern website. To get started, log into your Netlify dashboard, and once you're signed in, you'll see your projects and deployed sites. If you manage more than one site, take a moment to make sure you're working in the correct workspace and looking at the right project before making changes. Next, select your deployed site from the dashboard. This will open the site overview where you can manage settings related to deployment, domains, and configuration. Since HTTPS is tied to your domain settings, this is the area we need to work from. From inside your site, navigate to the project configuration and then open domain management. This section is where Netlify handles your site's domain connections, DNS guidance, and SSL certificate setup. If you've never connected a custom domain before, this area may still be showing only the default Netlify subdomain. Now click Add Custom Domain and enter your domain name. Be careful to type the domain correctly, since even a small typo can prevent the connection from working properly. After entering the domain, continue through the prompts so Netlify can attach that domain to your site. Once the custom domain has been added, the next step is to configure your DNS settings. This part is essential because your domain provider needs to point your domain to Netlify. Depending on where your domain is registered, you may need to update records such as A records, CNAME records, or name servers. Netlify will usually provide guidance on what values to use. Keep in mind that DNS changes are not always instant, so it may take some time before everything updates across the internet. After your DNS configuration is complete, verify the setup and force HTTPS. In most cases, Netlify automatically requests an SSL certificate for your connected domain once the DNS is correctly pointing to your site. When the certificate is active, you'll be able to enable the option to force HTTPS, which ensures that anyone visiting the non-secure version of your site is automatically redirected to the secure HTTPS version. If the certificate doesn't appear immediately, give it a little time and refresh the domain settings page. Once HTTPS is active and forced, your site will be securely available to visitors. And that's how to enable HTTPS in Netlify.